Yeah, this is the Aqua Terra, and you know very well that Seamaster, this is one of the most well-known line of Seamaster. First of all, it's 150 meter waterproof that we all know, but most of this is the one that has the classy touch. Seamaster being professional diving watch, being watches that are done to master the sea, as the name is. And that one, if you look at the work we've been doing around the case, around the rubber, but mainly around the dial, which is so nice, this horizontal tech, which shows like the best and the most incredible sailing boat or yachts of the world, the classy touch. And if you look at the hour marker, which make that watch a very classical, but still sport watch. And this is the whole mission about Seamaster Aqua Terra, is to have a watch like that, which fits totally well to a chic event, but you can wear exactly this watch tomorrow on the beach if you want to go and swim. This is 50 meter waterproof. And on the top of this, what is very important and very Omega, we're launching this new line with a Master Chronometer certification that I'm sure is also very important to all the people who like watches. For two reasons. First reason is because this certification, which is by the way done by the Institute of Metrology of the Swiss Confederation, totally independent one and totally open to many other watch brands if they want, is the only independent certification that you have on the watch. That means that Master Chronometer watches are being certified exactly as they are when you buy them. And the second reason, which is very important, is all the investment we've done into our new movements for getting this Master Chronometer certification, which is not only waterproof and a precision between 0 and 5 seconds, but also the resistance to fields of magnetism of 15,000 Gauss. That makes this Omega Seamaster Aqua Terra even more incredible.